How to transfer money into Merrill Edge using funds transfer service. Hello and welcome back everybody. Today we are providing you with the step-by-step guide to do so using funds transfer service in Merrill. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. For that, we can directly head over to Merrill Edge, the financial services company, which is this one right here. Go there to the official site, and this is what you will be viewing. Now here you can sign in with the user ID and password. So in this section, you can just go and enter your user ID. Right below it, you need to enter up your password for your account. So go ahead and enter it up in the section. After that, you can basically look out for this login option and click on login. After that, you can basically go ahead and once logged in, look out for a section called transfer and payment section in the menu. After that, again, directly look out for transfer money option. Go ahead and select that option. And Merrill Edge offers two main options, which is external bank transfer and another is internal transfer, which is basically ACH, which moves funds from your checking and savings account at another bank. And we have another one for internal transfer. It is instant transfers between the Merrill Edge and Bank of America accounts. You can use that option. You can also look out for an external bank account and use that option to add up account. You can enter their bank routing number, account type, and verify the account ownership. And Merrill makes small test deposit that you can